Amy Slayton has once again become the center of fan buzz, this time not for a weight loss milestone or a sweet family moment, but for something that left many viewers feeling disturbed. The popular TLC star of 1000 LB Sisters recently shared a live update that sparked intense backlash online, with fans flooding social media platforms to express just how grossed out they were. The reactions ranged from confusion and disgust to concern over her well-being, prompting a fresh round of headlines and fan theories. As Amy continues to live her life in the public eye, her latest controversial moment is reminding viewers of the very thin line reality stars walk between authenticity and oversharing. It all started when Amy posted a TikTok video showing a behind-the-scenes glimpse of her home life. At first glance, it seemed like a typical light-hearted moment that fans of the Slayton sisters have come to expect. Amy, who's known for being raw, real, and sometimes hilariously unfiltered, was doing a house tour with her usual bubbly tone. But what started as fun quickly took a turn. The camera captured more than fans expected, revealing glimpses of what many described as a disturbingly unkempt living space. Stacks of clothes, unwashed dishes, and what appeared to be leftover food items strewn across multiple surfaces made viewers feel uncomfortable. "This is not cute, it's gross," one viewer wrote, with others chiming in to say they felt the environment was unsafe for her children. Some even questioned whether Child Protective Services should get involved. The backlash snowballed quickly, with Reddit threads and Facebook groups dissecting every frame of the video. Amy has always prided herself on being transparent, often showing both the highs and lows of her journey. But this particular update struck a nerve. Fans who had watched her grow as a mother, get serious about weight loss, and attempt to build a stable life post-divorce were shocked to see what they called a complete regression. Many questioned what could have led to such a situation. Some cited her ongoing emotional struggles, especially after her split from Michael Halterman, the father of her two children. Others speculated that the pressure of parenting while under constant scrutiny might be taking a toll on her mental health. Whether it's depression, burnout, or simply a rough patch, fans were divided over whether to sympathize or criticize. Some longtime viewers came to her defense, saying that the harsh judgment was uncalled for. "She's a single mom trying her best," one supporter wrote. "Have you never had a bad day? She's human." Others pointed out that mental health challenges often manifest in someone's environment. Still, the overwhelming majority felt that Amy needed a wake-up call. Many urged TLC producers to step in and offer support or even organize a special intervention episode. The concern wasn't just about cleanliness, it was about the message being sent to her impressionable followers. As a reality TV personality with millions of fans, Amy's lifestyle is not just entertainment, it's influence. This isn't the first time Amy has been at the center of controversy. Over the years, she's faced backlash for parenting decisions, public spats with sister Tammy, and what some see as reckless choices. However, this particular incident feels different. Perhaps because of the vulnerability of the children involved, or perhaps because it contradicts the image she's tried to project in recent months. Viewers have seen her glow with pride during family milestones and celebrate small wins as she strives for a better life. This jarring glimpse into apparent chaos felt like a betrayal to many who had rooted for her transformation. It's not just about mess, it's about perception and reality clashing in the most public way possible. Adding fuel to the fire was Amy's response, or rather, the lack of one. For days following the uproar, she remained silent on the topic. No explanation, no apology, no clarification. For many fans, this silence was louder than words. "If this was taken out of context, she should have said so," one fan commented. But saying nothing, that's admitting it's true. Eventually, Amy did return to social media, but she made no mention of the controversy. Instead, she posted a cute video with her sons, laughing and playing outdoors. Some saw it as a defiant move to shift the narrative, while others viewed it as an attempt to distract and downplay the situation. Whatever the intent, the damage was already done. TLC has yet to issue a statement regarding the incident, and it's unclear whether the video will impact Amy's future on 1000 LB Sisters. Rumors have circulated that the network is considering a spin-off or special featuring only Amy and her boys, at the decision that now feels more complicated given recent events. Will TLC stand by its star, or will they take action to protect both her and her family from further scrutiny? Reality TV is built on messy lives and human drama, but there are limits, and some believe this crossed a line. If TLC hopes to maintain the trust of its audience, a response may soon be inevitable. As the dust begins to settle, Amy's fanbase remains split. Some are eager to forgive and move on, understanding that everyone has moments they're not proud of. Others demand accountability, especially when children are involved. The controversy has also sparked broader conversations about what reality stars owe their audiences. Does being authentic mean showing every flaw, no matter how uncomfortable? Or is there a line between being real and being reckless? These are questions that extend far beyond Amy Slayton but are now being debated in her name. Mental health experts have weighed in on the situation, urging viewers to consider the bigger picture. What we are seeing may be a cry for help, one therapist wrote on a fan forum. It's easy to mock or judge, but more helpful to ask what kind of support she has. Fans have started tagging Drive, Phil and other intervention-style shows, hoping someone will step in. Meanwhile, others have begun sharing resources on single parenting, depression, and hoarding, trying to transform the controversy into a call for compassion and change. Amy has overcome significant challenges in her life. From being overweight and ridiculed to becoming a mom and television star, her journey has been one of resilience. That's why this update felt so shocking. It wasn't just the mess, it was the reminder that progress is not linear, and even those we admire for their strength can backslide. Fans who once saw her as a success story are now grappling with the reality that the road to healing is rarely smooth. It's messy, painful, and sometimes public in the worst ways. As conversations continue online, one thing is clear: Amy Slayton is still a figure people care deeply about. Whether they're angry, sad, worried, or disappointed, the emotional reaction proves her impact. Love her or criticize her, people are invested. That kind of engagement is rare and powerful. But it also comes with responsibility, something Amy will likely have to confront sooner rather than later. Will she address the situation head-on? Will she make changes to ensure her home and family are safe and healthy? Or will this become just another scandal in the ever-dramatic world of 1000 LB sisters? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: Amy Slayton's story is far from over. This nasty update may have shocked and grossed out her fanbase, but it also reignited a conversation about vulnerability, fame, and the cost of living in the spotlight. For better or worse, she remains one of reality TV's most compelling and controversial figures. As the cameras continue to roll and fans keep watching, Amy's next move could be her most important yet. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more UPD 8 news.